Hi guys, so today the post lady has been and she has brought me Roccabox. I am so excited. I haven't had a Roccabox in ages. The packaging has changed since I got a Roccabox. It used to come in like a white box that was similar to like a glossy box, but now it just seems to be this cardboard like fold out one. But yeah, cool. So let's see what's inside. Ooh. So it smells really strong, so there must be something pretty pungent in here. So this is the leaflet that it comes with, and then there's everything that's on there. So I'll read through obviously as I pull things out. So the first thing is a Duval's Argan Lip, Cheek and Colour Oil, and this is in Tropical Island. So this is, the RRP on this one is £16. Wow, that looks pretty cool. Let's look at that, let's have a... So, I don't know if you can see, that's the colour. Don't think it's really my colour, but it's alright. It feels a bit like grainy. And you know, like, I don't know, you know, like lip glosses, like when you're a kid and they have a weird, like, taste. It's a bit like that, a bit weird. But yeah, just a nice lip gloss. Next thing I have is Kieran. Oh, sorry, my baby's trying to knock the back my stand. So this is Kieran Nitro Noir, and this is a little aftershave. So this is just a sample. The full size bottle is £65. So it's all right. It's not my cup of tea. Yeah, it's not my cup of tea. It smells quite masculine. Like, I wouldn't wear that. That's a bit too much for me. Next we have is the Polar Ice Sauce Moisturising Gel with Glacier Water. Okay. So, how many mils is this? So it says here this is £33 for 25 mils, but I can't see anywhere on the product how many mils is in here. Oh, it's on the front. Silly me. So this is the full size. This is 25 mil. So this replenishes your skin with a gel texture moisturiser that is intensely hydrating skin whilst mattifying for a skin-free, shine-free complexion. Skin-free complexion. Oh dear. Restoring essential moisture. The formula glides effortlessly over skin, softly and refreshing to leave skin feeling supple and comfortable. I can't find words today. I'm really sorry, guys. And if you can hear a random noise, it's my daughter putting keys on the table. My kids like to be involved with my filming. So that's that one. The next one I have is this one, which I've had this in a different box before. I think I got it in, I think it was Birchbox. And it's Daily Concepts Charcoal Soap Sponge, and the RRP of this is £6. Now I did try it, and unfortunately, even though it says it's for every skin type, I cannot use it. I am allergic to this product. So this, I am thinking about putting like a little giveaway box together. So I'll probably put this in there and some other little goodies. So yeah, so that one's £6. I'm trying to find everything. There's that many worms and noodles in this box. So go no. The next thing is this T-Zone Charcoal and Bamboo Black Peel Off Mask. I've done these before, and these ones hurt to peel off. So the RRP of this one is £5.99. And you can get these from Superdrug. If anybody wants to see me do this one, comment below and I'll do a video of me torturing myself with this mask. Let's have a look. I think that is, this may be the last product. Yes, this is the last one. So this is Natural World Argan Oil of Morocco Moisture Rich Hair Treatment Oil for all hair types. Oh, cool. I don't know if that's going to focus or not. No. So let's have a read of this one. So this is $1.99, this oil. Used by salon professionals, this hair treatment helps lock in moisture and shine to nourish and repair, leaving hair feeling soft, frizz-free, silky smooth, absorbs instantly, leaving no oily residue. Macadamia oil is known for its outstanding properties in hair care. And you can get this from Amazon, apparently. And there's 25 mils in there, so I might give that a whirl. So yeah, so I'm not overly impressed with this box, but I'll give it a go. I think I'm more looking forward to like using this to see, because I get really like dry bits around my nose. So I'd like to see how this works and if it's going to be moisturising or not. But yeah, and I'm looking forward to using the hair oil as well, because if that works, it's only $1.99 off Amazon, so that'd be pretty cool. So those are like the product details and everything that you've got on there. What I'll do is I'll put my link down to Roccabox. I think it gets you I think it's 10% off your first box. So I'll leave that link down below. And I'll try and list some details as well. But I've got a memory like a sieve, so we'll see how that goes. But please, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment below what you thought of this box, and if you'd want me to try out the face mask. And please subscribe as well. And don't forget to hit the little bell button, so then you get notifications every time I upload as well. But thanks, and see you later.